Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are fine. So today we'll be doing the back exercise of class 3 social studies chapter 2, the earth our home. So let's start. First is your tick the correct answer. Okay? Number 1 is the layer of air surrounding the earth is called A. Hydrosphere, B. Biosphere and C. Atmosphere. So the layer of air surrounding the earth is called an atmosphere. Right? Atmosphere, it is a layer of air without which we cannot live. It is not possible for us to live without atmosphere. Second is we can live on earth because it has the right A. temperature, B. pressure, C. humidity. So the correct answer is temperature. We can live on earth because it has the right temperature. Okay, that is needed by all human beings to live. Third is a model of the earth is called A. sphere, B. map and C. globe. So the correct answer is C. globe. Globe is a model of the earth. Fourth is to find directions we use A is thermometer, B is compass and C is rain gauge. So the correct option is B, compass. Okay, to find directions we always use a compass. And a compass, it has a needle which always points to the north. Right? Fifth is a very large body of water is called an A is a lake, B is an ocean and C is a pond. So the correct answer is B and ocean. Okay. Second question is your true or false. Number 1 is earth has more water than land. Yes, it is true. Earth has more water than land. That is why earth is also known as a watery planet, or you can say a blue planet. Second is large maps hung on the walls are called wall maps. It is true. Large maps hung on the walls are called wall maps. Third is the needle of a compass always points to the north. Yes, it is also true. Fourth is earth has 5 continents and 7 oceans. No, it is false. Right? Earth has 7 continents and 5 oceans. Okay? Now the question answers. Okay? First question is why does life exist on earth? अर्थ एक ऐसा प्लैनेट क्यों है जिस पर लाइफ एग्जिस्ट करती है, जिस पर हम लोग रह सकते हैं. ओके, द आंसर इज लाइफ एग्जिस्ट्स ऑन अर्थ बिकॉज इट हैज़ एयर, वाटर एंड द राइट टेम्परेचर नीडेड बाय ऑल लिविंग बीइंग्स टू लिव. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट इज अ मैप, हाउ इज इट मोर यूजफुल देन अ ग्लोब. ओके, मैप क्या है और मैप जो है ग्लोब से ज़्यादा यूजफुल क्यों है. द आंसर इज अ मैप इज अ ड्राइंग ऑफ द अर्थ और अ पार्ट ऑफ इट ऑन अ फ्लैट सर्फेस. ओके, इट इज़ मोर यूजफुल देन अ ग्लोब बिकॉज इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल टू शो ऑल द प्लेसेस ऑन अ ग्लोब. अगर हमें एक प्लेस के बारे में बहुत अच्छे से जानना है इन डिटेल, देन अ मैप इज़ मोर यूजफुल एज कंपेयर टू अ ग्लोब. सेकेंडली, a map is easy to carry as compared to a globe. Okay, it is easy to carry map, whereas it is not. It is very difficult to carry globe from one place to another. Okay. Third is what are continents? Write the names of the 7 continents. The answer is large areas of land are called continents. The names of the 7 continents are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Australia and Antarctica. Fourth question is what is the difference between horizon and coast? The answer is horizon, the place where the land and the sea appear to meet is called horizon. Okay, and whereas a coast is the place where the land and the sea meet is called the coast. Okay, जहाँ पर land और sea मिलते हैं एक जगह पर उसको हम coast बोलते हैं. Okay, so this was all about the back exercise of chapter 2, the earth our home. If you have liked the video, then please don't forget to give a thumbs up to it, and if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to it. Thank you.